Let's start by pulling up on the wiper arm to get it up to your level. And at this point, you can flip the wiper blade up like this. There will be a little tab on the backside that you can squeeze and then pull down on this. It should come out of its hook. And at this point, don't let this go, because if it falls down, it will smash the windshield and most likely crack it. Take your new wiper blade, and you'll notice that it'll come with different attachments. Discard all those, because all you need is the hook style that is already mounted. Place the wiper blade onto the arm like this, flush with it, pull up until it clicks. That's secured in, and before you place it down on the windshield, remove this plastic cover that covers the actual blade for storage and transportation purposes. Place this down onto the windshield, and on the passenger side, you would do the same thing. Press on the tab, remove the wiper blade, line up the new one, click it on, remove the protective cover, place it down on the windshield.